Hello everyone, my name is Neo from TopFX, and in this guide I will show you how you can execute a trade for the synthetics demo competition brought to you from TopFX. Now, as I said, this is a guide, so this video should not be taken or perceived in any way as any form of investment advice. So let's get started. Now, after you log into your synthetics demo account, you move over your mouse to the left under the synthetic indices and you choose which instrument you want to trade. So randomly, I'm going to choose the first one. I'm going to click on it. Now, there is a couple of ways, so let me show you a few of them. One way, after I click on the desired instrument that I want to trade, I right click and there's going to be a sub window and I click on where it says place new order. A new window would appear. So what do I need to do? First, decide buy or sell. You have to click on either one. Let's assume that I'm going to buy. Then I decide the size of the contract. Let's assume that I'm going to do, right now pre-selected, it's one full-size lot. I am going to do 1.5 or I'm going to do 2. Then optional, you don't have to, but it's optional. Take profit and stop loss by clicking on each one and feel free to adjust it. You can adjust it using the arrows by increasing or decreasing both stop loss or take profit, or you can just manually highlight it and enter the desired pip value, which I just did right now. Let me do the same. Here we go. And then the only thing left is click on place trade and I just executed a trade. That is one way. Let me show you another way really quick. Again, I need to identify the assets from the list to the left. I'm going to do Storm X randomly. Now, once I click on the asset, as you've noticed, the graph would change, which means right directly from the graph, I click on right click. I get another window. At the top right of this window, it says place new order. I click on that, and again, I need to repeat the same process as before. I need to decide direction, buy or sell. In this case, I'm going to sell. Again, I need to decide the size of the contract. I am going to do 5 contracts this time. Again, optional, stop loss and take profit. Optional, as I said before. Again, you can adjust the stop loss exit price and take profit exit price using the arrows on manually as I did before. This time I'm just gonna use the arrows just to give you an idea. And again, click place order. Okay, and I just executed another trade. And let me show you another way. To the top right under symbol panel, there is already pre-selected a synthetics instrument. But if I click the arrow and I go under the synthetics tab, again, I get the same list. This time I'm going to do Crush X. Again, all the trades that I execute are random. I click on it. And from there, as I did before, right under the panel, again, I decide sell or buy. This time I'm going to do buy. Again, I need to decide the size of the contract. Again, randomly. Again, optional, take profit and stop loss. You know what? This time I'm not going to use stop loss and take profit. Like I said, it's optional. It's up to you. And then I click on place order. And there you go. In the simplest way possible, you got 3 easy ways to execute a trade. Now, if you hover your mouse right below the graph under positions, it would show you all 3 positions that you just executed a trade. And should you want to have the view of all 3 graphs, all you need to do is highlight the asset. In this case, the boom. I want to see the boom. I right click, open chart, and I have the chart right there that I executed the trade. This is it, as simple as possible. Have fun trading. Wishing you all the best. Thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Neo from TopFX. Bye-bye for now.